Hi guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this fragment effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open your image and create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+J or simply drag the layer onto the new layer icon. With the duplicated layer selected, go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur and set the radius to 0.6 pixels, then click OK. Next, go to Filter Pixelate Fragment to apply the fragment effect. If you want to reveal parts of the original image, click the Add Layer Mask button. Select the brush tool, set the foreground color to black, and paint over the areas where you want to hide the effect. Switch the foreground color to white if you need to bring the effect back. For a more stylish look, select Rectangle Marquee tool. Add rectangle circle around face, then invert the selection by pressing Ctrl+I. Then press Ctrl+D to deselect when you're done. Now double-click the effect layer to open layer styles. Enable stroke, set the position to outside, choose a size of 3 pixels, and click OK. To enhance the composition, add a few thin graphic lines or simple geometric elements around the design. These small details help give the artwork a clean, modern poster style. Finally, add your title, logo, or any text you like to complete the design. And that's it. That's how you can create a stylish fragment effect in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.